Another adventure. What do you see? You see the rambulance? You see a tow truck. Rambulance and tow truck. This is getting old. Oh my goodness. Don't know what's going on this time. So stay tuned. Sometimes I just want to cry. My oh my. Gonna put it on the stinger and back. Super nice gentlemen. They're out of Malta, New York. And you have to check to make sure the stinger on the back isn't gonna drag. So we'll see once he lifts it up. We love this old rambulance, but my goodness. Heck, it's almost been completely rebuilt. That's pretty fancy how that thing just slips right underneath it. This young man's name is John. And I think it's Big Ants Towing out of Malta, New York. So let's go see what happens when they lift it up and how the back end looks. Good thing we've got the white knight right here. Here we go. He's lifting us up in the front. He's off the ground, and we are not going to drag. We've got quite a bit of room. Yeah, I think we're going to be fine. Got enough room back there. Got it up on the stinger. So more to come. Shout out to Big Ants Towing and Recovery out of Malta, New York. John is our driver. He's doing a fabulous job. It's always something. So stay tuned. It's a good thing we still have both vehicles. The plus side, Hubby said, is we're getting great fuel economy with the rambulance right now. Oh my goodness. One thing or another, but at least we broke down close to home. And that'll be that. So I'll keep you posted on what I'll keep you posted on what's happening. At our destination. Pulling in to Triple J. I guess we'll be sleeping here tonight. Oh well, it is what it is. Our tow truck driver did an amazing job bringing it up. This will be our home for the night because the shop is already closed. But if you need towing in upstate New York, Big Ants Towing and Recovery. John was our driver. Did an amazing, amazing job. Young man knows his stuff. I'll keep you posted. We are here at Triple J. You're not going to believe this. He just got the ambulance started. Tim, one of the guys who works here, I don't know what he did underneath, but he just got this thing started. Wow. I'll keep you posted. Both Joes from Triple J Auto in Bennington, Vermont are working on it at the moment. They're doing a great job, and me and Bella are chilling in the back. We are back out on the road. It was an electrical issue with the something relay. Anyways, we're back out on the road. All is good.